Nathan, and I'm here with my friend Nick. Yeah, it's my sword. Sword. Ah! Yeah, well, anyways, there's some Christmas decorations. Brightness! My fingers!
I want to kiss her.
Hey, look, a car.
Hi, car.
It didn't wave.
That is an awesome Cadillac.
Not really, because it didn't wave. You noobs. Alright. Charlie Brown.
Charlie Brown.
No, you can pop it with that.
Go, Charlie.
Never again will you bite my finger. Oh, Noopy. I love you.
Oh, she hates me.
I like you, Woodstock.
They hate me.
Good. No, well, look at my neighbor's decorations. I don't even know these people. Screw them.
There's some awesome.
Oh, look, it's my friend Donovan.
There is some awesome
Polar bears
over here.
Dang, man. You can barely even see this on the screen. It's all just like bright.
Look at those meanie snowmans.
You know she's really mean. Oh, crap. What the crap is that noise? Oh, a bomb just went off. In Germany. Angel. Ooh. You're on YouTube.
Very nice.
Never again will he French code again. This is cool. I like that fireplace.
Over here.
Skip.
Oh yeah, Jesus rocks.
Baby Jesus. You got the glowing head. Sheep.
Donkey.
I thought he was on Shrek. Grass. I love this decoration. You know, you can never find this decoration anywhere.
So if you do find it, it'll probably cost you a fortune, like 2,000 years or to raise that money. So
To us, that's like $2.
yeah, pretty much.
Here, hold the camera real fast. Alright, we're going into the alley. Yeah.
Was that, a walrus?
I think that's a seal.
Take a picture of it.
It's recording actually.
Huh?
It's recording.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah.
It's not recording me, is it?
Now it is.
No.
It's recording your doggies too.
Zoom in on the doggies.
My wrinkle dog.
You have a good one too.
Let's go see the snowman with the coconut juice.
No. Alright.
Mr. and Mrs. Gingerbread.
Love them. I can mess up these decorations since they're mine. Yeah. Here's Hawaiian man. Yeah. Oh, he's wet, man.
Oh yeah? It's my diggy dog.
Okay, we should go over to that one. That one's like Mania. Like Mania.
Wait. I want to do something first. Okay.
Woohoo!
What's
Fire hydrant!
Daddy, look how far. Daddy!
Are you alright, son? No. Yeah. Say no, I broke my arm. Are you alright, son?
No.
What happened?
I think I fell.
Did you break an arm?
Does it look like it? Are you serious?
No, it doesn't look like it.
Stupid daddy.
Shut up. Okay, fall again. I can't do something. Well, here we are. In the light.
Hold on.
Here, you can hold the camera real fast. Hold on. In the light. Everything is right. Do. Alright. Dude, they have a Christmas tree in every freaking room. I'm not even joking, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in every window. That's
8 in every window, that is...
no, like 1 for every window it has 1.
Look at this. Look at these disco ball decorations. Look at this.
I like that little woodland. Okay, my finger's about to freeze off, so let's head back home. I'll see you guys there.
Out here in the desert.
So
cold.
Oh my gosh,
So cold.
at night it is.
It's too dangerous. We can't spend the whole day here.
Oh my gosh, it's lights! Run! It's lights! Christmas lights! Run! Oh my gosh, there's even more! Someone help us! I landed. Let's get inside. Soak our fingers in freaking hot chocolate. I'll see you guys.
Where are those going?
Oh. I'll show them to you guys later. I'll see you guys when we have hot chocolate ready. Bye.
Oh, it has.
You just go like this. Squish. Try not to get it on the counter.
Kim Wilder. Gilda Radner.
Okay, go. 3, 2, 1, go. No, it's good. Doesn't matter. It's just flops. Flop?
Funny.
Put some sugar in this bad boy.
Lemons.
You know, Rick Buzz is on
Lemons.
Been on there for a long time now. She's
Apple.
voices of some of those characters and stuff.
What's this? An apple.
Good job, boys and girls.
Oh.
Let's go take it to Nate.
Levels. Got some more sugar.
Sadie.
Don't judge me.
I like sugar too.
She doesn't like sugar. Sugar is that too.
Sugar.
Yes, right? Hating on Germany. Who on the board? Us. Noobs.
Fresh asparagus for dinner tonight.
No, it's too close.
Asparagus.
Too close, Mike.
Papers.
Tasty.
I
He
know.
put half of this in there. Half.
No, I put like that much of it.
Yeah, right.
No, dude.
You just said to not judge you, so.
Sounds good.
Tell me when to stop.
Yummy.
Whoa, it's like blood red.
Okay.
Like, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
They went.
Whoa.
Mutation!
Look what it looks like through the camera. Wait.
Can't even see that.
Whoa.
Okay, now look at this. Whiteness! It's supposed to be green! Oh, there we go.
Yellow. Whoa.
Holy cow. Alright. Let's do that. Not mine. Okay, take over.
You like my tea, Mike?
No one likes your tea.
Horrible. Scary.
Is it good?
I think I need more sugar.
Get some.
Where is it?
Oh. It's a Christmas tree. Oh, spartans!
And my mini blinds, you know we got those wide blinds. They're so nasty dirty, so never clean them.
Where do I put it?
Oh yeah, she'll like that.
Some good tea right there.
Yeah, she does. Okay.
There's me. That's my cousin. That's my cousin. That's my uncle. That's my aunt.
For dinner.
That's my mom. That's my dad. That's my
Walking
sister.
into the
When she had brown and short hair. That's my grandpa. That's my grandma.
We walked
That's my
into the restaurant.
aunt. That's my uncle.
Patty said,
That's me.
they
That's my
started walking
brother.
us towards a booth that had
That's
half of it booth. And she started to sit on the booth side.
We're
She
like
said, "Oh,
family here."
Y'all have the booth side because you're the birthday boy. Well, we went ahead and sat down and ate and visited and talked.
Too mean to me.
Getting the birthday song across the room, and Kevin said, "We're not doing that." They said, "No."
Looks like Milky Way.
That's our deal.